So whenever we're going through a battery swap, one of the first things that we're going to want to do is make sure that the battery charger is off. If the battery charger is not turned off, it's pretty much going to jump start the system once we reconnect the new batteries, which can shock the system and cause internal damage. After we take the battery charger off, you're going to disconnect the terminals in the correct sequence. Before you connect the new ones, you're going to make sure that the posts and the terminals are both clean and they have protectant on them, especially with units that are outside in the elements. Yeah, that stuff actually eats battery acid. It's pretty neat. Yeah, these take 2 coats if you didn't know. Go ahead and spray this guy on there. Do 2 light coats. And then once everything is back connected fully, make sure the battery charger is turned back to on, which is going to keep those batteries nice and charged while there is no power from the generator. There is no actual working gauge on this. So we're going to go ahead and verify the fuel level with this actual dipstick here. So 44 is our absolute maximum. It's a 34.5. We're going to come up to, we'll do 40, anywhere between 40 and 42. Okay. Perfect. For Denver specifically, 90% is the standard. If you go over 90%, you risk the fact that you could possibly get, for heat expansion, it could actually expand and overflow out of the tank. So 90% is where you want to be. Perfect. These batteries will give you 3 good years of life. Every time we come across any that are 3 years or older, we always recommend changing them. So as long as that battery charger's on, it'll just keep constant power over and over and over. But over time, that battery will wear down, but the battery charger will keep it pretty much up to par. But if for any reason that battery charger fails or you need to disconnect the battery for any kind of maintenance, they will more than likely die if they're more than 3 years old. Oil's plenty good. And then block heater kicked on, which is good. Yeah, we're gonna try to run it real quick and see what happens. Don't matter. That's it when we swap batteries.